Okay, final wiring. So what I did is I put in as much strain relief as I figured I'd need. So these speaker wires are just tie strapped up to there. So there's no weight on them. And then I also, I don't know if you can see one. I epoxy glued in some tie strap anchors onto the inside of the fairing so I could put on a bunch of this tie strapping to hold the wiring kind of rigid. And then for the back of the deck, I did some strain relief on this thing, tied it together here. And then all this wiring is now pretty much tied down. Any of these connectors are taped, including the antenna. So everything's kind of nice and done here. Tidy this all up. Okay, anything left? Nope. Okay, so then I came through right here with the RCA and the USB connector. So this is a grommet. It was a sealed grommet that I pre-drilled and pre-installed in here. I couldn't put the cigarette lighter adapter anywhere in the front of this thing because there's just not enough room. So I had to go to the handlebar. And that was a bit of a challenge itself because I had to make my own bracket. So there it is right here. So a 1-inch handlebar clamp, and then I made a bracket out of stainless steel, 1 1/8 hole drilled in it, bent, and then powder coated. So there's my USB and my accessory. Okay. Next one will be the fairing going off.